For low-income women and children, access to a healthy meal can be a challenge.
One local nonprofit is partnering with the Peoria Health Department to change that. Caitlin Pearson has the story.
The WIC Nutrition Program, or Women, Infants, and Children, assists with purchasing healthy foods. Peoria Grown, a local nonprofit with the goal of educating families in low-income areas on that same topic, is combining forces with the health department to give WIC recipients the tools to eat right. Peoria Grown, a nonprofit started 2 years ago as part of Senator Chuck Weaver's 1,000 Pounds project, works to combat food insecurity in Peoria by focusing on access and education.
Last year, we conducted about 30 classes around the city and had about 260 participants. And each of our class, everyone that comes to a class, at the end of the class, they walk away with a bag of groceries so that they can go home and recreate the meals that they've learned that day.
Classes are led by a dietitian in local schools, community centers, and low-income housing. They focus on cheap and easy ways to use fresh produce to lead to a healthier lifestyle.
Our work is mainly to work with the low-income families because we're getting, stats from the hospital that there is a lot more health issues coming from that zip code.
Many of the women and families that were attending their classes were recipients of WIC benefits. WIC is a food assistance program for women, infants, and children where they can receive special checks to buy healthy foods, among other services, if they fulfill educational requirements.
These ladies would have to go for educational classes and try to work their way all the way up to Sheridan Road at the health department. But since if they're attending our class and we're in the community and doing those classes, we were wondering whether we would partner with the health department and get them to attend our class as a credit towards what their the educational credit. Our whole goal mission is the education. How do we get people to learn to eat healthy? How do they make those small little changes that will start nudging them into the right direction? And so we're hoping the WIC partnership is the first one.
Peoria Grown hopes in the new year to also hold budgeting classes to give families tools on how to best grocery shop. Now, if you want to learn more about their cooking classes, you can get a link on their Facebook page on this story on our website. Bobby.